Hey there, if you're getting that this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower error while trying to use GCache, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users are facing this bug even if their phone runs a higher version than 4.4. Here's a simple fix you can try. First, open your phone settings by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and select About Phone. Then tap on Software Information. And check your Android version. If it's below 4.4, Gcash won't work on your phone, but if it's higher, let's move on. Now go back and look for Software Update. Tap it and select Download and Install. Wait a moment while your phone checks for updates. If there's a new version, let it download and install, then restart your phone. Once your phone reboots, try opening Gcash again. If you're still having trouble, go back to Settings, tap Apps, find Gcash and hit Force Stop. Then go to Storage and clear the app cache. Make sure the Gcash app is updated in the Play Store. If it's still not working, try using Gcash on another device. That should help fix the problem. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.